Hello and welcome. In this video, we're reviewing the Plus500 trading app, a platform popular for trading CFDs across a wide range of asset classes. It's known for its clean design and low trading fees, but is it truly a good fit? Let's take a look. Plus500 stands out for offering access to a wide variety of assets, including stocks, forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. It's fully regulated in multiple regions, charges no fees for deposits or basic use, supports fast execution speeds, and includes helpful features like risk-free demo accounts, alerts, and educational resources for newcomers. On the flip side, the mobile app mirrors its desktop version in look and feel, which ensures consistency but lacks advanced features like chart sync across devices and one-click trading. Plus500 specializes in CFDs only, so you won't be able to buy real shares, and leverage can amplify both profits and losses dramatically. Real user experiences are mixed. Some traders report delays, confusing profit calculations, or persistent disconnections during critical moments. Other users warn of unpredictable behavior in spreads or suspicious platform practices, underscoring the risks with leveraged CFD trading. So is Plus500 worth using? Plus500 is legit and offers a straightforward, low-cost platform for casual traders or beginners exploring CFDs. It's especially useful if you value speed and ease of access across devices. However, if you're looking for advanced tools, real asset ownership, or heavily secure and transparent systems, you may find Plus500 lacking, especially considering the high-risk nature of leveraged trading. And that would be all for today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.